Acid reflux remedy. Healing power of alkaline hydrogen water. Are you struggling with acid reflux and have heard that alkaline hydrogen water could help? In this video, we're going to explain why alkaline water is a game changer in fighting the uncomfortable symptoms of acid reflux. Acid reflux can be a nightmare, making it difficult for you to get through your day without discomfort and pain. Thankfully, there is a natural remedy that has been proven to help. Alkaline water. In this video, I'm going to explain why alkaline water works so well and how it can help neutralize bad pepsin enzymes that cause acid reflux. What causes acid reflux? Acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, can be a debilitating condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing uncomfortable symptoms such as heartburn, chest pain, and difficulty swallowing. If left untreated, acid reflux can lead to more serious health complications. While there are several factors that can contribute to acid reflux, one key cause is the presence of bad pepsin enzymes. These enzymes can weaken the lower esophageal sphincter, causing stomach acid to escape into the esophagus and cause discomfort. If you or a loved one suffers from acid reflux, it's important to seek medical attention to determine the underlying cause and develop a treatment plan that can help alleviate symptoms and improve your overall quality of life. Why it is important to consume alkaline water instead of regular tap water. Drinking water is essential to keeping our bodies hydrated and healthy. But have you ever considered the type of water you're consuming? Regular tap water may be widespread and convenient, but it could potentially contain harmful chemicals and toxins that are harmful to your body. This is where alkaline water comes into play. It is pH balanced, optimized for hydration, and known for its beneficial properties. Consuming alkaline water helps to neutralize the acid in your body, reducing the risk of various health issues. By making the switch to alkaline water, you can nourish your body with clean water and live a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. Take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle and make the switch to alkaline water today. What is alkaline water and its benefits for acid reflux? pH 9.5 balancing and killing bad pepsin enzymes. Do you or a loved one suffer from acid reflux? It can be a painful and uncomfortable experience that can even disrupt daily life. Fortunately, there may be a solution. Alkaline water. By drinking water with a pH of 9.5 can help balance the acidity in your body, possibly reducing the frequency and severity of acid reflux symptoms. Not only that, but this wonder water may also kill bad pepsin enzymes that can contribute to acid reflux. So not only can alkaline water provide relief, but it may also help combat the root cause of acid reflux. So why not give alkaline water a try and see if it can provide some much-needed relief to you or your loved ones. Benefits of hydrogen and water. Molecular hydrogen, also known as H2, may just be the missing piece to your health puzzle. This powerful antioxidant carries a negative charge, which draws it directly to our body's cells. Not only does H2 improve absorption, but it also helps reduce oxidative stress and free radical damage, leaving you feeling revitalized and healthy. The benefits of molecular hydrogen don't stop there. Numerous studies have suggested that it may also have anti-inflammatory, anti-allergy, and even anti-cancer properties. By adding molecular hydrogen to your water, you're providing your body with an abundance of goodness that's hard to find elsewhere. So why not give it a try and see the amazing effects for yourself? Your body will thank you. Is alkaline hydrogen water safe to drink on a regular basis? When it comes to our health, it's understandable that we want to gather as much information as possible to make informed decisions. However, when searching for the risks, side effects, or complications of using or overusing alkaline water, there was no credible scientific data found to back up negative claims. Always consult with your medical provider to provide you with the clarity and guidance you need. Bad pepsin enzymes and how alkaline water can stop it. Many people suffer from digestion issues, and bad pepsin enzymes are often the culprit. Pepsin is produced by the stomach to help break down proteins, but when it becomes too acidic, it can damage the delicate lining of the stomach and esophagus, causing discomfort and even disease. Fortunately, alkaline water can help neutralize these bad enzymes and provide relief. By gently raising the pH of the stomach, alkaline water can help reduce inflammation and support healthy digestion. If you're struggling with stomach issues, don't suffer in silence. Consider giving alkaline water a try and seeing if it could help alleviate your symptoms. You might be surprised at the difference it can make. Alkaline hydrogen water can be used as a nose, throat, and air vaporizer to neutralize bad pepsin enzymes. It's common knowledge that bad pepsin enzymes can wreak havoc on our digestive system, but did you know that they can also cause problems for our nose, throat, and even ears? Fortunately, there's an easy solution that can help neutralize these pesky enzymes and promote a healthier respiratory system. Alkaline water has been shown to be an effective vaporizer, helping to soothe and hydrate irritated nasal passages, throats, and even ear canals. By using alkaline water as a vaporizer, you can breathe easier and experience relief from discomfort caused by bad pepsin enzymes. Give it a try and see the difference it can make for your overall respiratory health. Sarah water. How Sarah water, alkaline hydrogen water can neutralize acid reflux and bad pepsin enzymes. If you're one of the millions of people who suffer from acid reflux, GERD, or Barrett's esophagus, you know firsthand how it can disrupt your daily routine. Heartburn, a sour taste in your mouth, and difficulty swallowing are just a few of the symptoms that can make life feel restrictive and uncomfortable. But there may be a solution that's simpler than you think. Sarah water. This alkaline water can neutralize the acid that causes heartburn and works to break down bad pepsin enzymes in your stomach. This means you can finally say goodbye to the discomfort and frustration that come with acid reflux. Sarah water. The miraculous benefits of alkaline hydrogen water. Sarah water has a unique solution to help your body naturally reduce and prevent acid reflux. Their alkaline mineral water helps to restore balance in your digestive system, reducing uncomfortable symptoms like indigestion, heartburn, and discomfort after eating. It's also proven to improve cholesterol levels and bone health over time, giving you more energy and strength that will last throughout the day. With its neutral taste, it doesn't affect the flavor of food or drinks. Plus, it's convenient for an on-the-go lifestyle. The natural minerals in Sarah water are backed by science and provide an effective way of restoring balance in your body, so you don't have to suffer from acid reflux anymore. Click on the Sarah water link in the description box below to learn more about how Sarah water can ease your digestion problems.